Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iqoo mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys iqoo mobile guys display shortcut setting. And today video title is guys how to use iqoo mobile bold font setting. How to on bold text in iqoo mobile, one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your iqoo mobile. Friends, in your iqoo mobile, open your phone display brightness setting. After display brightness setting friends, open your phone font and display size setting. So friends, first of all you can change your font size. You want to increase, you want to decrease, you can increase, you can decrease. And you want to change display size, so you can change display size, you can set your display size. So friends, click here bold text option, bold font option. Friends, you want to use, right click here. So friends, your text will bold, and now you can use your bold text in your iqoo mobile. Friends, you can check we have bold text. So like that friends, you can use display shortcut setting and you can on bold text and you can use it. And you don't want to use, so friends, again open your phone display setting, open your phone display display and font size setting. And friends, off your bold text. And friends, you want to on your high counter text, you can on and you can use it. Bold text with high counter text you want to use, you can use it. So like that friends, you can use display shortcut setting in your iqoo mobile. And friends, you don't want to use, you can off. And friends, you want to restore your default display size setting, so friends click here. And you can reset your display and font size setting, click here. Display and font size setting will set automatically, default size will set on your device. And you want to change, you can change. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to use display shortcut setting in iqoo mobile. Bye.